Assalamualaikum and good day to Prof. Shahrizal. My name is Nursyahidatul binti Yusof. In this video, I'm going to talk about a book that I had been read under the topic of rendering audio in 3D. Basically, in a 3D game world, we need the 3D audio rendering engine. This is because we want to make the game becoming more immersive and also can perceive the player when they play the game. There are two types of elements in the 3D audio rendering engine, which is the first one, input, and the second one, output. Input is coming from all over the 3D sound that already embedded in the game world. Everything that's coming from the game, that is the input. And then output is the when sound is played through the speakers. This is to make the player believe that they are playing the game as in the virtual game. So that next one is the 3D sound rendering. Basically, there are 5 types of 3D sound rendering. The first one is sound synthesis, and then we have acoustic modeling. Second, we have Doppler shifting. Next is the mixing between 2D and 3D sound. Last but not least is the spatialization. Spatialization is the illustration that 3D is coming from the game world. There are two types. The first one is the distance-based attenuation. It's to reduce the volume of 3D. Imagine a circle, and at the circle of the at the center of the point, there is a sound resources. So when the player is coming near to the sound resources, the volume will be heard fully. So that's we call F or max, and F or mid is when the sound is considered silent, meaning that the player is far away from the sources of the sound. And then the second one is the panning or pan. It's to provide the illustration where is the sound is coming, either from the left or the right. Given the example of distance-based attenuation and also pan. So for the pan is the PUBG Mobile. For example, in this game, when the enemy is coming, the player can hear from which direction the enemy is coming, either from the left or the right. So it uses the panning method. And then the second one is the distance-based. In the forest survival horror game, when player is near to the zombie, the sound of the zombie is very loud, but when the zombie is far away, it's very slow to be heard. Next is the realistic soundscape. For the realistic soundscape, it's actually produce what the ear perceives using the LTI system model. So basically, in a room, there are a lot of objects in surrounding. So all of these objects have their own specific sound. That's why we can play any sound location, but here at the position of the listener. That's all from my book summary. Thank you.